Welcome to the new segment of the grade 7th. We are discussing the geography chapter, third chapter, Our Changing Earth. In this chapter, we are learned endogenic forces and exogenic forces. In endogenic forces, we are learned about the earthquake and volcano. Exogenic forces, that is a work of river, glaciers and work of sea waves. So another one topic in this chapter, that is a work of wind. So work of a wind, it is an exogenic force. You know that the exogenic force, it will be give a force that is on the surface of the earth, that is a lithospherical things. Activities will be done by the different agents like wind, water, is it? So today we are going to discuss about the work of wind. So where we can see this work of the wind? Usually in a desert areas. In a desert areas, we'll get to know about the work of a wind. It is an exogenic force, and in this work of a wind, it will be do the erosional deposition, erosion and deposition. It will be do as an agent like a wind. The sand will be deposit in a huge place with the through of force of a wind. Yes, by the force of wind, it will be deposit in a large area. So this area, it is known as a what? Desert. Yes. So where the land is covered with the full of sand, that place is known as what? Desert. So in this desert, we can see a very harsh climatical condition, and by a wind force here, the some rocks they will convert into the mushroom rocks. I think you all seen a mushroom. Yes. So this kind of rocks will be created by a force of wind, and those known as a mushroom rocks. So this wind, it will be erode a lower sections, the lower sections, those sections will be the make a upper parts. The rocks, it will be creates a narrows basis the wind top. This the narrow basis wind top, these tops, those winds, when it will blow that it will be lift, that sand will be lifted by a pressure of a wind. When the wind will be blow very harshly, and that the blowing of sand, it will be deposit in a one large place. So the when it will be depositing, that it will be creates a small hilly types. Those these deposition of sand, though it is known as a what? It is known as a sand dunes. The deposition of a sand, that is the pressure of wind, it creates a sand dunes. Yes, and these are the very lighters. They are not having any holding capacity. So it will be move one place to another place, that is the sand, because of a pressure of a wind. When the sand, it will deposit in a larger area, these are the smaller area. When it will be deposit in a large area, that large depositions or the areas, they are known as leaves. Yes. So these pressures of the wind, it creates a mushroom rocks, sand dunes and leaves. So these exogenic force, that is by a work of a wind. Here by wind, by water, by a glaciers, we are the understanding that the upper layer of a lithosphere that will be creates a different activities by themselves. In this today's segment, we are learnt about the work of wind. For reference, you can refer a 7th grade geography textbook. Thank you.